girl Ashley, aka Pretty Hippie, and I'm back with another video for you guys. What's up? Like, how are you guys doing? I'm so excited to be here today. I don't know why I'm so excited, but I'm excited. Maybe because it's my 17/18 month lockup date, and I know I left you guys hanging on the 17-month lockup date, and I am sorry. Life caught me, had a lot of things going on. However, I am here. I am 18 months, so I'm just gonna kind of recap 17 to 18, which honestly are about the same. Like, no major changes in my hair, for real. But I will tell you guys what I have been noticing month 17 to month 18, okay? So let's jump right into this video. All right, so guys, the changes I've been noticing in my hair is just growth, and my locks seem to be thickening up. Like, I kind of noticed that my locks were kind of getting a little bit thin, like thinner, not thin, but like just kind of more slender as opposed to puffy and full. But I'm kind of noticing that they are getting like back to the kind of thick, bulky look, which I absolutely love, and I'm so excited about it. Y'all have no idea, because I was like, are my locks gonna be like on the smaller side, or are they gonna be kind of thick? Which I initially wanted medium to thick locks, so I'm glad that they are kind of thickening up, and it seems like they're like kind of budding again and swelling. So yeah, that's a good thing. I'm excited about that. So it kind of gives me hope that I will have, like, you know, a thicker set of locks, you know. Yay me. Another thing I'm noticing with my locks is they're just growing. And I know you probably can't tell now because I just washed my hair and I did not retwist my hair because I just didn't feel like it, and it's not time for me to retwist anyway. I normally retwist every 8 weeks. So I think I'm on week maybe 4. Yeah, I'm on week 4 because I washed 4 weeks after my retwist. So I'm like 4 weeks in without a retwist. I just washed my hair, so there is absolutely no retwist in sight. And I'm going on a trip this month, so I don't know if I'm going to retwist before my trip or not. Probably not, because we may get in the water, and you know, it's kind of pointless to do a retwist when you're going to be around water and beaches and stuff like that. So I probably will skip the retwist and try to just do some really cute styles on my hair for the trip. I'm excited about it. So it's a little surprise birthday trip for my son. He'll be 2. Can't believe my baby's gonna be 2, y'all. It seemed like I just pushed him out like yesterday. They really do grow up fast. But anyway, guys, back to the hair. Now, if you are wondering what these cute little bead accessories are on the ends of my locks, y'all, my girl Spirit hooked me up. She hooked me up. Now, if you follow me, you probably follow Spirited Culture, because when I first started my lock journey, she was one of the first people that I subscribed to on YouTube. So I'm pretty sure if you follow me, you know who Spirit is. And if not, I will leave the links to her social media below. She is like the most positive like vibe that I have ever seen on Instagram, YouTube, like, and we become friends, and it's just an amazing connection. I love Spirit. And she sent me these Loc Sprinkles, and they are so cute, okay? So how it works is, once you place your order for the Loc Sprinkles, she'll send you a tutorial on how to install them, and it's really easy. It does take a little bit of time, so make sure you have some time set aside to do it, but the end result is just super cute, and I love them. And they last for about a year, and then the beads will start to loosen up. And yes, you can remove them if you don't want them after a few months. You can take them out, so they're not permanent or anything like that. So yeah, guys, I will leave the link to where you can purchase your Loc Sprinkles below in the description box. So make sure you check it out, and I'll leave all of Spirit's info down there as well, so you can head on over to her channel and show her some love. And last but not least, we're gonna get into the products that I'm using on my hair. Guys, every time, natural oils, rose water, water, essential oils, that sort of thing. Now, my favorite essential oils to use are peppermint and tea tree, because I do have an itchy scalp and it drives me crazy. I'm always spraying those essential oils into my hair to relieve the itchy scalp. And also, what I used to wash my hair this time, a company called Coco Shea sent me some natural products. Like, they sent me face toner, charcoal mask, this tea tree soap, and I made a post on Instagram saying what do you all do for itchy scalp? Like, help a sister out, because my scalp was literally driving me insane. So Coco wrote me and she was like, girl, try the tea tree soap that I sent you. Like, it's amazing. So I tried it when I washed my hair. And when I say this is a bar of relief, like the tingle was so intense. Like, I was like, oh yes, I will definitely be using this to wash my hair from now on. And it is, say it with me, all natural, which I absolutely love. And I will leave the link to the Coco Shea brands in the description box as well. So yeah, if you are looking for a remedy for itchy scalp, then I would definitely suggest this bar. Like, I don't have the wrapper on it so that you can see the logo in the packaging, because like I said, I've already used it. However, it is a great product. All right, guys, so that's pretty much it for my 17-18 month lock update. Like I said, not that much has changed. Like, I'm just noticing growth. I added the lock beads and I found a remedy for itchy scalp. I'm still using the rose water, the essential oils, the natural oils, and the water, all that good stuff. So guys, my routine is basically the same. I'm not switching it up too much. I did add the natural soap bar to my wash, which was everything, and I will continue to use it faithfully. Like, I already wrote her, I was like, okay, I'm never gonna run out of this, because this product tremendously helped my scalp, and that's what it's all about. Supporting Black businesses and also finding good products that work is just amazeballs. I had to say it. Now we have to announce the winner from the NaturAll Club video that I did a few weeks ago. And I told you guys you could click the link to register to enter the contest for the giveaway from the box that I got. So guys, I'm going to announce the winner. Drum roll, please. Da-da-da-da-da. And the winner is DAJAH. Congratulations, girl. I will be sending you an email very soon so you can claim your NaturAll box, okay? And I'm going to tell you the reason I picked you. I picked you because you were the lucky number 14, and my son's birthday is on March 14th, and we turn it up all month, okay? All right, guys, so that's pretty much it for this video. If you like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. And as always, world peace.